Guys, this is another mining project that just came out. This is a newly launched project, and I will encourage each and everyone watching this right now to immediately launch into the project, because you will do yourself a lot of good if you can actually seize this opportunity. I miss out on Pi, though I did, but I came in so late, and it was really for me. So I wouldn't want to give that chance of missing out on important project like this one. So you do yourself a good or a lot of good to actually what to actually seize this opportunity to start mining these projects. And this project is not like other projects whereby referral really count. No, there's nothing like it has nothing to do with referral per se, because even the process of registration does not require putting referral code and so it is just a kind of project that is meant to make everybody to actually put the effort of work into place. Now, for you to know how huge this project is, the developers are actually running the pre-sales transaction presently, and for anyone who actually want to buy this M token, M token actually costs $1. Imagine the project I just launched. I just launched into the mining session, selling a token for $1. And for your information, it is said that when they get to quarter two, then the price will increase to $2 for one token. So you can have the picture of how huge this project will be. So this is the environment of the mining session. So I'm actually going to be guiding us on how to go about the registration, because it does not have a specific maybe link. This is just a registration process through our browser, so which I will launch us into the browser and put us through on how to actually get to start this project ASAP. Let's go there. Guys, this is the tutorial on how to register for your M token. So to start the registration process, what you need to do is to go to your browser. You can either use a Chrome browser or Mrs. browser. Any browser available in your phone is actually it can actually work. So for the benefit of this tutorial, I'm going to be using Chrome browser. So when you open your Chrome browser this way, on the environment or the address environment, you type m5 v6 .app. That is m5 v6 .app. Then you send it. So when you send it, it will open the mining environment for us to continue our registration. So this is the page. This is the mining page. This is how MToken mining page actually looks like. So to register, you're going to see at the top right corner, you're going to see get started there. So you click on get started to open the page for you to fill, where you're going to write your first name, your full name, sorry. You're going to write your full name, whatever your name is, but just try to write your name that is verifiable. That is, that you can verify with your identity card, sorry. Why? Because there will be just like Pi, there will be a that you need to do KYC. So make sure you don't use name that is not verifiable. So use the name that is written on your ID card, whichever ID card that is available to you that you can use for verification. So now, as for me, I'm just doing this for the benefit of tutorial sake. I've already registered, so I'll just use let me say this. Let me quickly fill it. Joseph. So you come to username. You can choose any username. You can use any username. Let me just use this user 456. Then your email, you put your email. Let me put this email. So you can use any email. Gmail.com. So after that, choose your password. Use password that you cannot forget. Then you repeat the password again. Try to repeat the password again. Then when you have filled the necessary spaces there, you click on create account. Click on create account. The page is asking me to save the password, but I'm not going to save. But for your when you are registering, you can save the password so that you wouldn't need to be putting the password anytime you want to enter it. So when you are done with that, the page will open this way. So you are fully registered. So when this page opens, the next thing you do for you to start the mining process, you look at the left hand corner at the top where you see the 3 dotted lines. Click on it. So when you click on it, you go down, search for mile. You see mile. This is mine here. Sorry. Now, so when you click on the 3 dotted line at the top left hand corner, so you're going to click on mine. When you click on mine, you will see an indication that new mining futures. So at the bottom, you're going to see start mining. Click on start mining. So it will open the page, the mining page this way. So at the bottom here, you're going to see start mining. Click on that start mining to activate the mining. You click on it until it starts reading. Don't leave the page on until it starts reading. So this is it. So now you can see every 24 hours you need to come back to reactivate the mining. So the mining rate presently, this mining just actually started. So the mining rate presently is 2.4 MToken every 24 hours. So every 24 hours you are mining 2.4 token, so which is so fantastic. This is how Pile also started when they started newly. So you can also use this opportunity to accumulate a lot of points, a lot of tokens, because you are not mining points, you are mining tokens, token, so which is a very huge project. So every 24 hours you need to return here to reactivate the mining for another day. So after that, another thing you can do is to join a community. So when you open this, when you still go to this top left hand corner, click on the 3 lines, you see communities there. You click on the community. So when you click on the community, you can join. You see list of community that are actually available. You can join any of these community, and when you join yourself with a community, you are actually increasing your mining rate. So joining a community is a way of trying to increase your mining rate. Thank you. I'll still be posting subsequent information regarding this mining hub. Thank you.